Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw a beautiful house today? Grab your paper and colors. Let's start drawing together.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw the roof and walls of the house. It looks like 3 rectangles of different sizes. Great job! Now draw 2 doors on the house. One door here and another door there. Perfect! Let's draw 2 windows. Nice square windows for our house. Draw some bushes on both sides of the house. So green and lovely. Now draw a tree behind the house. Wow, it looks beautiful. Let's add some clouds in the sky. And finally, draw a big, bright sun. Awesome! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Wow, that looks amazing! Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub.
Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a cute and colorful house scene together. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a triangle roof at the top. Nice and pointy. Now under the triangle, draw a tall rectangle. This will be our main house. Let's add another roof sticking out to the right side. Under that, draw a smaller rectangle. This is the extended part of our house. Let's draw the base of the house, just a long rectangle at the bottom to make it stand. Now, let's add a big door in the middle of the tall part. Add 2 windows on the extended part. And one more small window above the door. Perfect. Time for nature. Draw some bushes behind the house, just some bumpy shapes. Let's add a tree on one side of the house. And now, draw 2 trees peeking out behind the roof. Beautiful. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's use our rainbow colors. Ready? Let's go! Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! What a colorful house! You did a fantastic job! Thanks for drawing with me at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawing videos.
Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful cartoon house using easy shapes and rainbow colors. Let's draw the roof of the house. Now draw a small chimney on top. Great! Draw some straight lines on the roof. Now draw the walls under the roof. Nice and straight. Let's draw another small roof beside the main house. Draw the walls under it too. Draw a window on the small house wall. Good job! Now draw a big curved door on the main house. Looks lovely! Draw 2 windows on the big house. 1 and 2. Now, let's draw some grass on both sides of the house. Awesome! Nice job, everyone! Our house drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. And peach color.
La da 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 dee.
Fantastic work, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video.
Hey, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a super cute house of love. It's going to be colorful and fun. First, let's draw the roof of our house. Draw a big triangle at the top. Great job! Now, let's draw the main part of the house. Draw a big rectangle right under the triangle. Draw a long rectangle under the house to make it stand strong. Our house needs a chimney. Draw a small rectangle on top of the roof. Now, let's add a door so we can enter our home.
La da 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 dee.
Let's add 2 square windows on the sides so we can see outside. One on the left and one on the right. And for the final touch, let's add a heart-shaped window on top. Let's draw 2 little birds flying in the sky. Whoa! Great job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make our artwork pop. Take your marker and boldly outline the drawing. Look! Our house is alive with happiness.
Yay!
It's coloring time. Let's use rainbow colors to make our house look magical. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. color. Pink color. Wow! Look at our beautiful house of love. You did an amazing job. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.